Welcome to RV Gear Reviews. Today we're exploring the 2026 Dacia Motorhome modified for ultimate luxury. This isn't your average camper. Dacia has taken its rugged utility roots and completely transformed them into a high-end rolling home that redefines expectations. Starting with the exterior, the motorhome features a clean, aerodynamic design with a premium white finish that gives it a futuristic yet classy appearance. The body has been widened and elongated to provide more interior space, all riding on an upgraded chassis designed for stability and long-distance comfort. LED lighting strips and flush mount windows add a modern edge, while the robust stance keeps it ready for adventure. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that rivals luxury apartments. Red and white leather seating, genuine wood finishes, and ambient lighting throughout create a 5-star ambiance. The rear lounge layout offers a spacious living area with a large, curved sofa, retractable entertainment center, and even a mini fireplace. The dining space doubles as a workstation, making it perfect for digital nomads. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, including a full induction cooktop, smart fridge, and a built-in coffee station. Storage is cleverly integrated into every corner, using soft-close cabinetry and slide-out pantry drawers. Even the ceiling panels include hidden climate controls and built-in speakers for a surround sound experience. Performance-wise, the 2026 Dacia Motorhome is powered by a hybrid turbocharged diesel-electric system. This gives you plenty of torque for climbing hills while maintaining fuel efficiency on highways. The motorhome features adaptive air suspension, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the terrain. It also includes advanced driver assist features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras for easy parking and maneuvering. Technology is everywhere. A central touchscreen controls everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and security. Voice activation and smartphone connectivity make operations seamless, while onboard solar panels and a lithium battery bank keep the system sustainable for off-grid adventures. One standout feature is the expandable sidewalls, which open at the touch of a button to increase the interior living space when parked. There's also a retractable rooftop deck with lounge chairs and a fold-out awning, ideal for enjoying scenic sunsets or hosting friends at the campground. In terms of sleeping arrangements, the Dacia Motorhome offers a master bedroom with a queen-size bed, memory foam mattress, and hidden storage. Smart glass in the windows provides instant privacy or a panoramic view at your command. The bathroom is equally impressive with a rainfall shower, backlit mirrors, and premium fixtures. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle experience, designed for those who want comfort, independence, and style wherever they roam. Whether you're headed into the wild or parked at a luxury resort, this machine makes sure you arrive in sophistication. Thanks for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more ultimate luxury motorhomes and smart RV innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RV Gear Reviews.